Design systems are becoming so popular because they make products more consistent, improve their usability, and reduce the design decision making. But do you know how to build one? In this course, you will learn what a design system is and why it matters. But most importantly, you will learn how to create one from scratch. In this course, you will see how to set up all the needed design tokens, for instance, how to define proper grids, layouts and spacing, manage icons, choose and create color and typographic scales, and finally, how to create the most used components like buttons, inputs, text areas, checkboxes, radio buttons, etc. We will see as well how to name components correctly using naming conventions to get you started. Finally, we will see how to use the design system and how to apply it to your projects or even your company. At the end of this course, you will be able to create your own full design system and apply it anywhere with confidence. I am Bruno Sáez, UX designer and design system manager in a big data and artificial intelligence company. And if you want to learn how to create design systems from scratch, this is the course for you. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now!